The image on the right is the before hair color picture. The image on the left is the after hair color picture. Now the new image on the right is the same hair color at 3 weeks out. I used a color remover to remove the existing toner. I gave her a bleach touch-up, and then I toned her with a level 10 violet toner with an extra violet color boost. When she came in for this appointment, I shampooed her with the B3 Color Care shampoo. After the shampoo, I didn't use a conditioner. It wasn't necessary. I went in and sculpted her hair using the Joico Hydra Splash Replenishing Leave-In. You can see right here that she already has 1/4 to 1/2 inch of new growth. So in a week or so, we're going to have to do this whole hair color process all over again. After sculpting her hair with the Joico leave-in conditioner, I dried her under an ionic hairdryer for 45 minutes. Then I applied our Nourishing Lipid Serum to her dry hair. And this is the results. Demi Permanent Hair Color, semi-permanent hair colors, temporary hair colors, they sit on the outside of the hair on the cuticle layers, the epi, the exo, and the endo, and they fade with each shampoo. Look how shiny and healthy and toned her hair is. Now, I did not hit her hair with a flat iron at all. I simply dried her under the ionic hood dryer. I applied some of our Nourishing Lipid Serum. I combed it through. And we went outside so you can get a good look. Look how beautiful and healthy and shiny this hair is. Now, this is the same hair color 3 weeks ago. This was our first hair color session. I bleached her and I toned her with a Demi Permanent Hair Color. Because the hair is so porous after the bleach, it really grabs onto the pure tone of the hair color that I'm using. And that's why it appeared violet. Same head of hair, 3 weeks later, 3 shampoos. Look how amazing this hair color is. The nature of Demi Permanent Hair Colors is that they deposit only. And because they deposit only, when you apply them over freshly bleached hair, they will always deposit 2 or 3 levels darker than the target color you selected. Does that make sense? Say, for instance, if I picked a level 10, at the first look, it would appear a level 8. But with each shampoo, the color will lift and you will level out at your beautiful targeted blonde hair color. I only use the best professional products, and now you can use the same products. You can buy them on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com.